What if the iPhone 18 Pro becomes the biggest iPhone upgrade in years? Well, according to new leaks, Apple is preparing some massive changes, including a more powerful 2nm chip, a smaller dynamic island, major camera improvements, and even better battery life. And honestly, some of these upgrades sound way more exciting than what we got in recent iPhones. So in this video, let's break down the 7 biggest iPhone 18 Pro leaks you absolutely cannot ignore. Starting with the design, the iPhone 18 Pro could feature a more refined titanium body with slimmer borders and a cleaner overall look. Reports suggest Apple is trying to make the phone feel even more premium and seamless in the hand. There are also rumors of a brand new color option called Dark Cherry, which could become one of the most stylish iPhone colors we've ever seen. Apple usually plays safe with colors, but this one could actually stand out. Now let's talk performance, because this might be the biggest upgrade of all. The iPhone 18 Pro is expected to use Apple's new A20 Pro chip based on a 2nm process. That's a huge jump. Smaller nanometer chips usually mean faster speed, better efficiency, lower heat, and improved battery life. So gaming, video editing, multitasking, and AI features could all feel noticeably smoother. And if these leaks are true, the iPhone 18 Pro might become one of the most power-efficient smartphones ever made. Another interesting leak is the smaller dynamic island. Apparently, Apple is reducing its size significantly to give users more screen space and a cleaner viewing experience. It may not sound like a massive upgrade at first, but visually, it could make the iPhone feel much more futuristic. This also hints that Apple is slowly moving toward a true full-screen iPhone design. Now the cameras. Leaks suggest Apple could introduce a variable aperture system on the iPhone 18 Pro. That basically means the camera can automatically adjust how much light enters the lens depending on the environment. In real-world use, this could improve low-light photography, portrait shots, cinematic video, and overall image quality. There are also rumors of larger sensors, which may explain why the camera bump could get slightly bigger again. But if image quality improves dramatically, most users probably won't complain. Battery life could also see a major improvement. Thanks to the new 2nm chip and better efficiency, the iPhone 18 Pro may finally deliver significantly longer screen on time, and Apple is reportedly working on its own next-generation C2 modem for improved 5G connectivity and more stable network performance. So not only could the phone become faster, it may also become more reliable in everyday use. So, overall, the iPhone 18 Pro is shaping up to be a seriously exciting upgrade. A new design, smaller dynamic island, huge camera improvements, better battery life, and a powerful 2nm chip. This could be the iPhone that finally feels truly next-gen. But, of course, these are still leaks for now, so take everything with a little caution until Apple officially reveals the device. Still, if even half of these upgrades become real, the iPhone 18 Pro could easily dominate the flagship smartphone market. So, what do you think? Would you upgrade to the iPhone 18 Pro? Comment your thoughts below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more future tech videos.